Now, my people, one more video I go drop. And in that one, yeah, I come with some big up, and I come with some bad news. I'm going to go to the bad news first. Spirit Airline filed bankruptcy twice in a 1 year. Well, since this year, 2025. And me know one might say, oh, what a big airline, and it make millions and it make billions, and it not the good people. It filed bankruptcy twice. People try to help them and pump money into them, and they still file bankruptcy again. So what that mean? Me go big up the little man will make $50,000. We hang on. Me go big up anybody we out there make some money and I make the economy grow and I turn. Me have to big on up. Me have to big up the little CNA we want to be a LP and the little LP we want to be a RN. Me have to big up the little garbage man who decide say he might go work for the city one day. Me have to big up the little cleaner woman who one day she might get a promotion, supervisor, manager. Me have to big up the program director we are going to get her a promotion and she will get a pay increase. Me have to big up everybody we are hold it. And the reason why I'm so passionate about that one is because nobody will understand that video, we are watch it, now file bankruptcy twice in 1 year. Me can put my neck on the block for that. No, me not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. Me not gonna do that. But, on a serious note, me have to big up everybody. So everybody we are going to work tomorrow, everybody we are coming from work tonight, big up on yourself. Everybody we are cover on the bills. Everybody we are keep a food on the table, big up on yourself. Everybody we are contribute to the economy, big up on yourself. Everybody we are do something, big up on yourself. Everybody we are hand down to the kids, big up on yourself. Everybody we are teach them kids, big up on yourself. Even the man who lose him job and I hold it down till him get back another job, but him still not file bankrupt, big up to himself. So the big trashy airline, the big yellow one we want to see fly up and down, it filed bankruptcy twice. But my people still hold on. My people still a fight. My people now file no bankruptcy. Keep moving forward. Keep bringing in that income. And most important, keep investing. Soon up on the next one, alright?